Think you need years of experience to get paid as a writer? Think again. If you can write clear, engaging content and you're willing to learn, these 5 platforms can help you land your first paid writing opportunities even as a beginner. First, Fiverr. Create writing gigs for blog posts, product descriptions, website copy, or social media content. A strong profile and a few writing samples can help attract your first clients. Second, Upwork. Thousands of businesses post writing jobs daily. Start with smaller projects, build positive reviews, and gradually increase your rates. Third, Textbroker. Writers complete a short assessment and receive projects based on their quality rating, making it a popular starting point for new freelancers. Fourth, iWriter. Beginners can accept entry-level assignments and improve their earning potential by consistently delivering quality work on time. Fifth, WriterAccess. While quality standards are higher, improving your portfolio and skills can open the door to premium clients and long-term writing opportunities. Here's the secret most people miss: clients don't just pay for words, they pay for solutions. Learn basic SEO, write attention-grabbing headlines, proofread every sentence, and always meet deadlines. These habits can set you apart even without years of experience. Remember, your first few jobs may not pay a fortune, but every completed project builds your portfolio, confidence, and reputation. Stay consistent, keep improving, and your writing career can grow faster than you think. Which platform are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical ways to earn money online and build valuable digital skills.